So what if you guys say that how can we add this the first one which we did here, and I'm going to show you guys shortly here that we have done our end row and our buy row inside the last one. Yes, you guys can do this. You guys can do exactly like that, and you guys come here, and I'm gonna come down. You guys need to put your A. Alright, so we're gonna come here and we're gonna bring, okay, so now you guys put an A, and this A just you guys got a sequence, and you just put a rep with the matrix. So you guys wrapping matrix the sequence, and now it's a matrix, and inside this one you guys can put a number of rows. So for example, end row, you guys can put a 5 number of rows, and if you're looking here, number of rows 5, but you guys still counting like 5, 10, 25. If you guys come here and put your by row, so you put a by row, say by row is true, and if you guys put in your A, and the by row is going to go 5, 10, it goes according to the row. So it's very easy for you guys. Alright, so now if you guys gonna come, say at the first example I said to you guys, if you guys go to, say for example, a car yard which sells the car, so you guys say cars, for example, cars, and say the first one, say for example, is Toyota, and you've got a say for example Toyota is the value is 100. Say Monday you guys sell 100, and Tuesday you guys sell 200, Wednesday you guys sell 400, then you guys sell 500 for example, and then you guys put a 600. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you guys sell 600 for example. And if you guys can put your Toyota, and you guys put say 100, 200, whatever sell you guys, and you guys got a Mazda, for example, Mazda, and your Mazda is, say for example 300, you guys sell our 40, we're gonna go say 20, then you guys sell 50, then you guys sell 70, then you guys sell 80, then you guys sell 90. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, the reason I put this 100 stars and this one starts from the just from 0 to 90, so you guys know the difference, spot the difference. So if you come here I put a dot, you guys need to put a comma. There's a typo here, so I put a comma here, and I'm gonna come here. So now my I put a Mazda 20 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the Toyota is I'm selling a lot, but I'm not selling a lot of Mazda. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here and I want to combine. I'm gonna put a prices, and what my price is gonna be, you guys don't forget your seed which combine. And if you guys put a Toyota, and you guys can put your Mazda, yes, I hope it's correct one. And if you put your prices, and the first one is Toyota, you guys coming all the way to 600, and the second one is Mazda, and you guys starting from your this one to 20 to all the way to 90. So you guys can put your print function, which is in built or function, and you guys can put your prices. You guys can put your prices too, same as I've done it before. All right, now so how we gonna put a matrix? How you guys can put your so you guys want to see inside the matrix. So what you guys gonna do? Say for example, we put a prices dot. Okay, we put a prices dot. For example, matrix. Alright, so now we put our matrix. We're gonna put our matrix, and inside our matrix we put a prices, And what we're gonna do, how many number of rows, say for example in row we want 2 because we have a Toyota and Mazda, and by row we want it true, by row we want it true. So now we have a Toyota, which is this one, we have a Mazda, we have, which is this one, we have seen the prices. Now we combine our daily, so we have sold this many Toyota, we sold this many Mazda, so now we combine our prices, Toyota and Mazda, we've seen the prices, we have print our prices now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put inside the matrix, and the prices, which is this one, is going to show how many number of rows we want. We want 2 number of rows, 2 rows, and by row is equal to true. Alright, so we're going to print. Okay, so now what's what we're going to print, prices dot matrix, prices dot matrix. Here we want to print this one, and if you guys looking here inside this one, the first one is got this guy here is Toyota, and the second one is Mazda. It's very easy for you guys to understand this one. So because the first one is Toyota, that's the prices for the Toyota, and the second one is a Mazda. So you guys can do, that's how the metric works inside here. It's very awesome. If you guys look at here, your prices of say Toyota, and that's the price of Mazda, because the Toyota starts from 100 all the way to 600, and the Mazda starts from 20 all the way to 90. Alright, so now how are we gonna say the, for example, of the week, we're gonna put a weeks, our weekdays. So weekdays is in build function. What we're gonna do is put a day, what day we sold what. So we put a combine. Now we're gonna put our days. We're gonna put a Monday. So our boss wants us to put a Monday, then we put a Tuesday, then we're gonna put a Wednesday, then we're gonna put a Thursday, then we're gonna put a Friday. Alright, so now that's our days, and if you guys gonna put a day, you guys can see from Monday all the way to Friday. So now how we gonna put this one inside our matrix, the Monday to Friday. You've got a names, which is inbuilt OR function. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine our day with our prices. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna say names, and we're gonna combine Toyota. So we're gonna combine Toyota and say Mazda. Alright, so now how we gonna put our days here, and our information just like Toyota whatever here. So what we're gonna do is that we have a names here, and we put a call names, and we have a call names, and we have a row names. So our call names gonna be this guys here, prices dot matrix. So we're gonna copy this one, we're gonna put a prices dot matrix, and we assign, say for example, our days. So we have a day, not days. Okay, so our row names, it has the prices dot matrix, and we're gonna assign names. Alright, so because this is a name, we're gonna assign this one to our row name, and our column names got the this one's the Toyota and the Mazda. Alright, so looks like we made a mistake here. We have to put this one, surround this one, Toyota and Mazda, into the single quotation here, and now it's all good. So now we put a print, and what we're going to print, we put a printing our prices dot metrics. Prices dot metrics. All right, so the reason I get this error in my names, because in here I did not put this Toyota and Mazda inside this single quotation here. I need to put this one inside single quotation for the names to work. So what I did that here, that was okay, but this one I did not put the this prices dot metrics here. I didn't put it inside the quotation. So what I did here, I quickly put inside the quotation, and when I run it, all good. So we're gonna put prices, and if you guys look at here, it looks awesome. It looks Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you guys see how many Toyota we are selling and how many Mazdas we are selling. So that's how it works. The metric works inside the R, if you guys look at here. So now we have created our perfect list for our boss. So now if the boss asks that here, so in Monday, the boss knows now that we sold 100 of Toyota, and then Tuesday 200 of Toyota, and then Wednesday we sold 400, then 500, then 600, and on Monday, so now the boss can see clearly the bird's eye view inside the map how many Toyota and how many Mazda the boss sold. So you guys can create your list. This is like a matrix, and if you guys look, it looks awesome. It's got 2 rows and 5 columns. So from Monday all the way to Friday, and you guys can see, you guys can create more if you guys want. It's just practice. So what you guys do, you guys just put your Toyota, Mazda, GM Holden, whatever you guys create here first into 5. So because Monday to Friday, if you guys want to put a Saturday and Sunday, you guys just put a 7, and you guys come here and you guys can put your prices, and rows by row is equal to true. And if you guys come here, you just print like that, and whatever you guys see. So in this one, you guys see here your days, and this one you guys see your product here. So your product should come here and your days should come here. All right, so with the help of names, if you guys come here, day, we're gonna have our Monday to Friday, and it stores inside the day. And when we come here, if you guys look at here inside the name, you guys need to put this inside the quotation, which I forgot. So you guys come here that I tried to put it call names, then wasn't accepting. So I come here and tried that. I made a mistake here with the day S, and because my here was day, not days, and I came here call names, because R is very sensitive. R is not going to forgive you if you guys do a little bit mistake like S. So here names, again I forgot to put this single quotation here. I need to put single quotation here. I forgot to put single quotation here. So the names, and again when I run my date, okay, and my names, and this one names was incorrect. So when I put a quotation, then I run this one, and this one all good, then I print this one, and that's what I get. You guys know this one. So there are 2, you guys now know there are very case sensitive. So the first one, I forgot the S, I put a days, I got an error, and the second one I didn't put the single quotation, which was here. I put it here, but I forgot it here. So you guys know now knows that R is very case sensitive. It's not going to forgive you. It's going to stop, and it's going to give you guys error. So that's how you guys get an error inside the R, and that's how you guys going to fix it. All right guys, that's it for this video. If you guys got any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.